Welcome to the Dad Squad. Thank you guys for joining. If you are new, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. So based on the title, you guys can see what this video is going to be about. I won some Kiss Jelly Fantasy press-on nails. So we'll get right into this. I would first like to give a shout out to Jen on Demand. I'll make sure I put her channel in the description box as well as on the screen so you guys can go ahead and support her. She gave me a thank you card, as you guys can see in the video. So let's get this started. So here are the actual nails. I had no idea what I was receiving. I knew that I would be receiving nails, but I had no idea. I really love the color of this nail and the style. This is my first time actually having sparkle nails, I think, in a long time. And I normally don't wear nails, so this is all new to me. I work in a hospital, so I'm technically not allowed to wear them unless they're natural looking. So I normally just don't put anything on my hands. I didn't do any oils or any extra things. I just filed my normal. I just filed my natural nails down a little bit to give it so it could look even up under the nails, especially being that they were clear, that you can see through them. So this is me just filing my nails away, making sure I have that even cut nail so I can be cute, y'all. Listen, your girl want to be cute. Your girl want to be cute for this quarantine. I've been learning how to do a lot of stuff. I haven't done my nails, like I said, in a long time because of my job. But so I had to remember what I'm supposed to do. So I went through to make sure all of the nails fit my fingers before just trying to glue them on one at a time. So that's what I'm doing here, just making sure that I have that clean cut. The nail isn't too big or too small for each one of my fingers. And honestly, they all was perfect size for each one of my fingers. So thank you, Jen. Girl, you did a great job. Thank you. And I love how the nails look on my skin complexion, the color. They look a little bit purple. Y'all know purple is my favorite color. I said in almost every video. But keep watching. I'm talking too much. What do you guys think overall? Yay or nay? Tell me what you guys think. Thank you for watching.